Hey yo, today I'm gonna be unboxing some apink goods. So yeah, and I also have my little live studio audience, Miss Emelina. Say hi.
Clap, clap, clap.
Okay, let me open her up. I think I got not much, but tell me why I spent so much. Wow. Oh my god, wow. Wait, this is like the nicest packaging. So I got it from, I bought through this group order manager. I love them. Maybe I'll go through this first. Okay, I'm not gonna take it out, but I got Hyung's little keychain thing. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but I got it. Next, here is the photo card set. No, I'm not gonna show Miss Emily Chorong or Unji's cards because I know I'm gonna get robbed.
There's gonna be a rock thrown through the window.
Ah! Bitch, can you see it?
Love, gorge. No! No, she said, wait, my milk cut is serving in the thick.
Here's Chorong's, her fucking, oh. They're so pretty. This one's so fucking pretty.
I'm waiting to be shown at Angie. Viewers, look at this. Watch as she refuses to show me a picture of Angie. Yay!
Oh, this one's really pretty. No, yeah. And then Nalan. This one's cute. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Oh, Namju. I love Namju's cards.
Namju the Stallion.
Namjor. And then Hyung. I got Hyung's voice. What is this shit called? Voice wavering. Yeah. I don't know what size I got because I didn't choose it. So this might not fit me. Oh, that's huge. Wait. Oh, it fits on my... Yeah. I think I'm gonna have to wear it on my thumb. And even that's like super loose. So. And then it came with a bag. Like, okay. Okay, Tiffany and Co. Fucking K Jewelers. Wait, cute. Look. Eee!
Wait, I actually do like it.
That's cute, actually. This is the fucking main event, to be honest. The little lightstick cake. Oh my god. I'm gonna get my lightstick so I can like put it on her. Oh my god, it's so soft. When I put this on my dog.
Literally 10 likes and Tiffany's will post on her page a picture of her dog wearing it.
Bitch, 0 likes and I'll post a picture. It's so cute. Wait, let me get my light stick. Here's my light stick. Yes, I don't have the new one. But let me put her little outfit on. Ah! Stop. Stop. You're fucking lying. You're fucking joking. This shit is fucking cute as hell.
For real?
Look at this shit.
Oh.
This shit is so fucking cute. Oh.
Man, I want one now.
No, this made me so happy.
Who's fucking big brain like decided to make one of those?
Literally. Like,
I'm
what the
thinking
fuck?
their booty ate.
I think the group order manager put my photo cards in here, so I don't know what I'm gonna get. Ooh! Oh my god, I didn't know I was gonna get the stamp. Also, I love this washi tape, so I'm gonna save it. They gave me the stamps, which I didn't think I was gonna get this, but it's pretty. Okay, here's her voice cueing photo card. I'm guessing this is like her message on the, or I said voice cueing, voice ring, voice wave ring. So I'm guessing this is her message on the ring. Here's a photo card. Cute. Okay, these are the little benefit Polaroids if you spend like over 30,000 won, I think. And I got 2. So what does that tell you? So I got one of Hyung's. It's from 5 Era. The like signature looks so real.
Wait, did she sign it?
No, it's like printed, but it looks like she really did. And then I got Unji's. This one's so pretty. I think I'm gonna keep it. This bitch is like trying to see. Can you see it? Here.
I can't see it. No, she won't show me. She has her hand on top of it, and it's like the hollow. I can't see anything. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to still have.
Oh my god, like this is so random, but like I really hate how the direction of the hollow is different. I don't know why. That's all for this video. Thank y'all for watching. Do you want to say anything, Emily?
I think I should pick an outro song.
What do you want the outro song to be?
I was thinking of something awesome, but the only song that could come to my mind is Miss A's Breathe.
Okay, well, bye.